Oh! Man, I didn't see that trip hazard here. You want to make sure you eliminate those. You don't want your friends or family coming over, falling or hurting themselves, plus the liability of it. Today we're going to be lifting this back in place with the two-part structural polyurethane foam. It's an incredible technology, and stay tuned to see us lift this slab. So great news, another super happy homeowner. Trip hazard and liability eliminated, and get this folks, this was done in less than 30 minutes. That's some of the great benefits of fast acting structural polyurethane foam is one, it's fast, it's non-invasive. You can barely even see the hole patch where we injected the material. The homeowner was super impressed. You'll be able to drive upon this within, get this, 15 minutes. You can drive on this. So no ripping out this whole entire driveway, which is going to cost more money, more time, and the driveway is going to be down for probably about a week. So you're starting to see why homeowners choose polyurethane foam lifting over rip out and replacement. If you're having any sort of trip hazards on your property, whether it be the driveway, your pool patio, your sidewalks, could be your floor slab on the interior of the home, give us a ring. We'll have one of our talented project consultants come out to evaluate your situation and come up with the best repair option for you and your family.